I'm gonna do stuff I usually don't do. Let's see. It was wicked. The set was wicked. I was like, you use the term wicked? That's gnarly, dude. God. Got the ball hairstyle. Got them bees on your back. Them BBs on your back. This is a weird hairstyle. What the hell is this? DNA strands. I kind of mess with this, not gonna lie. I think I'm gonna take this one. Find an outfit. Tight skin clothing. I always do baggy outfits. I think I need to do like a dang bodysuit or something. This is unique. This middle one right here. Nonchalant. Do peach. I don't do pink hair things. Small. Teeth. I don't do sharp teeth. We could do sharp. Bro, Pinterest sucks. Why does it always do this? You search for something specific and it's like, nah, you know what? I'll give you something better than that. I need what I searched for. Why do you think I'm here? I did not ask for this. Brother, I'm just gonna have to wing it. So the head will be here. I'm gonna do something like... I probably gotta pull the head down a little bit because it's about to have like a pencil neck. It needs to like hit the hip right here. So it's like right here. I'm gonna use this as a placeholder for now. I'm gonna copy, paste, and then I'm gonna start tweaking this one up so we can actually have like a build going on. Piercing addict. We could probably put like a dang a fish hook is like their earring. We have round eyebrows, so it's like a fleshy muscle there. We need like a round eyes as well. Neck is here. Let's make it straight. I usually never make my neck straight because like I'm a trap person. I like having the traps. Wait, that's great. No. No, I meant the trap. Finger here. Let's extend this like so. And now we have the other finger right here. And then the other ones would be in the back here. And then a thumb is here. We have a fleshy part right here. Also on this side. Hold on. You know, chicken egg. I have that dang video stuck in my head. I swear. Clean this face up now, though. Yeah. Okay. I'm gonna add a piercing to this. And then we'll do this. I think we could cut the top final there. All right, it's gonna be a girl. Let's go for it. We have the dang braid hair. I didn't even touch that. We could probably put like ribbons on the dang the thingamabobbers here. Go like this. We'll go out. In. There you go. Let's do like a double, and then we could have a bar at the top here. I think I'm gonna put the fish hook like in the middle of their like front antenna. All right. New. Start putting some clothes on this fish. This. Up. And then we could probably design like tattoos, but like using the skin pattern. Bada bing. That is it. Yeah. Okay, and then we'll keep the chest empty. We probably put a few dots here for transition. I kind of want to put more here because this is more like a tattoo, but for fishes. Let me try this. Hell no, that's not. All right, now I'm gonna go back to line work, make a new layer on top of everything, make it black, and this will be fine lining. Same here, a line here. Out, and we'll do something like this. Do this, and then circle. Try something like this. Unless you keep it on the side. Oh, it's centered. Ah, yeah, that's nut. To put some clips onto these shoes. No. Like this. And then I need soft brush. Take this one to, I think for now I'm gonna leave it here.